In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Opera browser. First, you'll want to access the Task Manager. To do this, press the Control key, the Shift key, and the Escape key simultaneously. This combination opens the Task Manager directly. Alternatively, you can right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. A context menu will appear and you can select Task Manager from there. This step is crucial because it allows you to view all running applications and processes on your computer. Once the Task Manager window opens, you will see a list of active applications and processes. This is important because it gives you control over what is currently running on your system. Now that you have the Task Manager open, look for the menu icon in the upper left corner of the window. This icon typically looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots depending on your version of Windows. Click on this menu icon to expand the options available to you. This action will help you navigate more easily through the Task Manager's features. Once you click the icon, you will see a drop-down menu with various options. This is a straightforward step, but it is essential for accessing the next screen where you can manage startup applications. Next up, find and click on Startup Apps in the left-hand sidebar of the Task Manager. This section lists all applications that are set to launch when your computer starts. It's important to review this list because some applications can slow down your startup process or consume unnecessary resources. After selecting Startup Apps, the main window will update to show you all the applications currently set to run at startup. This is where you can manage which applications you want to disable. Seeing this list empowers you to take control of your system's performance right from the start. After identifying the list of startup applications, locate Opera in that list. Once you find it, right-click on the Opera entry. This action will bring up a context menu with several options available for you to choose from. Right-clicking is a simple yet powerful way to access additional options for any application. This step is significant because it allows you to directly interact with the Opera browser's settings in the startup context. You will see various options for managing the application, providing you with the flexibility to make necessary adjustments. Now, from the menu that appears after right-clicking, select Disable. This action will prevent Opera from launching automatically when your computer starts. Disabling unnecessary applications can significantly improve your system's startup time and overall performance. Once you select Disable, you should see a confirmation or change in the status next to the Opera entry. This visual cue reassures you that the change has been implemented successfully. By following these steps, you've effectively disabled the Opera browser from starting up with your computer. This small adjustment can lead to a smoother performance and a more streamlined experience. Remember, managing startup applications is a vital aspect of keeping your system running efficiently. You can always re-enable Opera later if you decide you want it to launch at startup again. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and now you can enjoy a more responsive computer experience.